Good Monday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Zurich visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Sramek at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, for the most part, warm and relatively dry the next several days.
Yeah, Joe, we're going to see temperatures that'll climb up there into the 90s, it looks like, for probably the entire week. Maybe when we get later in the week there, Thursday, Friday, we'll see a little bit more clouds, and we got that frontal system that'll be coming through Friday evening with a upper level low pressure that'll be moving out of the Great Basin area northward out over the Rockies and into southern Canada later in the week. What's going to be keeping us blocked up here in this weather pattern where we've got this ridge of high pressure kind of sitting over the center of the country is we've got a blocking high that's sitting over Missouri and the Ohio River Valley, and anything that does come on shore out to the west or northwest looks like it'll get pushed northward into the Canada and the northern plains. That'll slow things up through the week. That'll keep things heating up. And also with that trough deepening out to the west and a ridge here in the center part of the country and we're shifting off to the east, we'll have south winds increasing through the week. Last week they were calm. Over the weekend they were pretty calm. Today, we'll see them go up to 15 to 25 miles per hour here this afternoon. Gusts to 30. Tomorrow, 15 to 25. Wednesday, Thursday, we could see gusts up there 30 to 40 miles per hour, and that's ahead of that troughing and that activity that'll be out to our west. As far as rain chances go, they probably stay in the mountains and up to the west as well as that system moves through. Our best chances for rain will be widely scattered there Friday evening, but we'll probably be looking ahead until Sunday night, Monday, and Tuesday when another system out to the west moves over the Rockies and goes through the Great Plains and the Central Plains instead of working straight north into Canada with that blocking high pressure being removed off the east coast. We'll see temperatures over the weekend drop back down into the 80s. Maybe with those systems early next week and by next Wednesday, Thursday, we could be seeing lower 80s, upper 70s, and more fall-like readings as we head into that next week time frame and later in the week in particular. Maybe we'll get some rain chances and that cooler weather. Out there this morning, we got temperatures that are fairly cool. We got a 53-degree reading in Oakley. We got 58 in Oberlin. 64 is the warmest out there in Goodland. And we got that southwesterly wind this morning starting out 5 to 10 miles per hour. This afternoon, it will become breezy. We're expecting highs to be up there around 94. Tomorrow, we're looking at a little bit cooler at 92, then back up to 94 on Wednesday. And then, like we said there, for Friday and Thursday, we could be in the upper 80s, lower 90s. Looks like we'll be waiting until Saturday and Sunday before we're dipping down into the middle 80s. Our overnight lows will be in the upper 50s and low 60s through the entire period.
Chris, I'm assuming that fire danger will be elevated, especially later on this week.
Yeah, as we get into the week, we got that moderate to severe drought in the area, so the dryness is affecting the pasture and the vegetation, so it is dry out there, and the winds are going to be high enough and the relative humidity is low enough that west of Highway 25, there is some fire threat today. Tomorrow, there may not be as much, but we get to Wednesday and Thursday, it'll probably be elevated across the entire region.
Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Sramek at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Zurich.